was in town, so I said I must drop it. So thank you for happening. Yes, but I wanted to see how soon we can start. Inshallah, welcome, sir.
Excuse me, side se.
Thank you very much. What's your name? From?
Bola.
Bola.
Yes.
Right, beautiful. You know what are these called? Yes. These are called foxtails. And this is called digitalis. Okay. Thank you very much.
This is Astika.
Thank you very much.
Shahid Mahmood, maths teacher. Med sir, Arabic teacher. Qayyum, Malik sir, teacher. And the local guide. That's children survey. I'm Samad, that's security guard.
Right.
Senior boys, these are the senior boys.
Right. Last year, the first admissions.
Yeah, first admission.
Yes, I was here last year.
Yeah.
Very much. Oh, thank you very much.
This is from the junior sides.
Right. Assalamualaikum.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, Honorable Governor, distinguished guest, principal, students during the last year. And for that, I would request the deputy head of the Samad as well as Fida Ahmed to come here and just start the program.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Samad and I am with my fellow comparer Fida Ahmed. Welcome you all on this important occasion.